didn't see that. Look at that. It's got a door in. Okay, so I'm going to show you a few things. I don't know. God dang it, they made a tape measure. Okay, let's get to work. What do you say? Let's get to work, then we'll chat. All right, now I know what you're thinking. He's bringing out the torch again. Yeah, okay. I'm sick of it too. I know you guys are all sick of this torch. Like, we've seen this torch too many goddamn times, brother. Do something else. I want to, okay? But I got a little carried away with this whole freaking idea. All right. Now I'm gonna show you some cool stuff later that made this back house get a lot cooler, all right? Just wait, okay? Let's get this torch fired up. Let's burn some cedar. This is the last time I'm using the torch on this back house. Wanna make a bet? I don't know, I wouldn't. What the heck is going on? Come on. We're the last freaking one. Look out! Ugh. All right, finally done with the siding. And I gotta be honest, this might be the worst way to side a house. It's so much work, burning every single board. It's kind of a crazy idea I got. But, you know, who fucking cares? You know, like, I'm not some engineer building a cabin. You know, just a guy who makes stuff and he's having fun. Isn't that what it's all about? Fun. So we're having fun out here. So yeah, what I did, as you can see all around here, is I burned all these cedar boards, put those up, and then the board and board and batten type deal around there, mainly just to cover up the pieces in between the cedar boards that I burnt. So kind of an unexpected design. When I got into this, I thought I was just gonna make like just straight up and down boards, nothing like this. So yeah, kind of letting the build process design itself very similar to how I got into building out vans. Kind of took like 6 to 8 months off of working on this because I got so busy at the shop. So we're back doing it now. But anyways, so over that time I just noticed how the Yakisugi faded a bit, just kind of like lightened up and was doing like way more of an amber kind of ombre that I wanted to. So I got some pine tar and linseed oil. Maybe there's a picture there. Maybe I just cut to it. Boom. Okay. And yeah, it made this stuff just black. And I was really worried that the Yakisugi thing was kind of like a huge waste of time at that point, because now it's just like black from this, you know, Swedish style of painting. So I did another board. I'll show you that I didn't do in a Yakisugi too, just a cedar board. And then I, of course, did a lot of the Yakisugi with the pine tar on there. This is all that crap I was talking about. I have no idea how to say this. It's like Svartijara Asen pine tar. Traditional Svartarvision. I guess that's black wood tar is what that means. Traditional black wood tar. Okay. So you order some of this. I'll have the link in the description, I guess. And also get some biking purified raw linseed oil. All right. The good stuff, I think. The lady in the video I watched said that. She said this is the best stuff. So I was like, nothing but the best for old Bert. Okay, so it comes in this box. It smells freaking nuts. Like, it went away after I did it for the first time, probably after like a week and a half. But you come back here and it smells like you just started a fire in your face. I can still smell it right now after I did the second pass on here. So the other one, opened the box and it was like kind of exploded. And I think that's why. It smelled when I opened up the house, opened up the box in the house. Anyways, so pretty simple, just a 50-50 situation here. Mix it together and a little guy. So I'm just doing like a quart at a time. A quart got me like probably like a 10 by 10 area, maybe more. I don't know. The square footage calculator I did for this said that I should only need 1 bucket of the black pine tar and then 1, this is a gallon, yeah, of linseed oil. I followed this thing 50-50 and I got 1 whole linseed oil left and about half a gallon of pine tar left. So I don't know, but so I'd get extra. I'm probably gonna use it for a bunch of stuff. It's pretty sick. It also comes in like red and brown and gray, I think. So I would check them out. This website has a lot of cool stuff on it. I was pretty excited. So yeah, going with like a little Japanese and a little Norwegian, you know. That kid's going to college, I'll tell you what. All right, let's get to it. Once I start doing this, I'm not gonna really be able to touch the camera. So sorry about that. You're just gonna have to watch this all happen because this gets pretty messy. Only on your hands. I mean, I got it a little bit on me. I don't know. I'm shutting up now. Just watch. All right, so we got it all painted up. Like I was saying, I don't really know this is not like a normal process, so I'll keep you updated on how it works, you know, how it looks after a year, if it fades too. I don't know, who knows if it'll fade. They didn't say anything on the website that you could do this, put it over Yakisugi. They also didn't say not to. I could have called someone, but I didn't, and now we're here, and yeah, it's looking freaking sick. As you can see, it's really dark. Really shows off the wood kind of grain that pops up whenever you burn the wood. So I think it's looking really sweet. Last thing here, before I go take a shower, I didn't do a part of the batten, whatever. Didn't do part of it right there. So I'm gonna show you why, because I got a really cool light from a friend I'm really excited about. All right. You guys didn't tell me it was upside down. Oh yeah, dude. This thing's 100% clay. 100% clay. One of my friends just getting rid of this thing. Let's see what it looks like in the door. Check that out. Look cool. Brother, that's what I'm talking about.
Bitch, I'm petty. I start bowling these spaghetti. Yeah. First off, gotta go get it. Talk, let's do more spinning. Yeah. Walk down, shit, get drenched. Turn the whole city up, lit it. Bad bitch coulda went video. Wow. Savage, 21 killers. Brad bitch rhyme with the sister. Dog ass hoe, you a thotty. Bro, turn cop, new body. Twin, you wreck, you smoke. Shoot him in the head, you the goat. Coulda went.
It's fun. Let me have fun. I'll try and turn down the music.